Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing very well. In this video, we are going to see how you can check the edit history on Google Docs. So if you want to check who has been using your Google Docs and who has been editing in your Google Docs, or you want to go back to the previous draft version, in this video, we are going to see how we can access that. So let's get started. So what you can do is just go to the file menu right here. And from here, you can see this version history right here. So after that, just click on see version history. And on the right hand side, after that, you can check out all the day by day history. All versions are available here. And if we drill it down, you can see some further details about it, how different things has been edited in your document. So if you want to revert back to any of the previous version, you can just select that particular version and click on restore this version, and then just click on this restore version. But just keep in mind that it will override any previous versions if you restore this one. So let's go ahead and click on restore. And that's pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified of all the future videos. This is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.